In today's video, I'm going to share with you on Googlebook AI Laptops, the next evolution replacing Chromebooks. Google just made this announcement on their new Googlebook AI Laptops. Over 15 years ago, Google introduced a Chromebook, a lightweight laptop designed for a cloud-based world. It focused on simplicity, speed, and web-based computing through ChromeOS. Now Google is actually preparing to redefine laptops once again, this time with intelligence at the center. The company is introducing a new category of devices called Googlebook, which represents a major shift from traditional operating system OS to what Google calls an intelligence system powered by Gemini AI. While full OS details have not yet been revealed, Google has confirmed that Googlebook will combine elements of Android and Chrome OS, creating a modern AI-first computing experience. This is the Googlebook. What is Googlebook? Googlebook is a new generation of AI-powered laptops from the ground up for Gemini Intelligence. Unlike traditional laptops, these devices are built to actively assist users, automate tasks, and provide contextual help in real time. According to Google, Googlebook represents a shift from an operating system to an intelligence system. This means the laptop will not just run apps, you will understand what you're doing and help you complete tasks faster. What are the key features of Googlebook AI laptops? Googlebook is deeply powered by Gemini AI, making it capable of understanding on-screen content, suggestion actions, automatically assisting in real-time productivity tasks, providing proactive recommendations like this. Right? Okay, let's take a look. Select anything. Okay, visualize, combine these images to create a band poster. So you got a band poster. Okay, then there's this magic pointer, AI cursor. So developed with Google DeepMind, instead of a normal cursor, users can wiggle the cursor to activate AI assistant, get contextual suggestion instantly, perform actions directly from the on-screen elements. So example, select a date in an email, instantly schedule a meeting. I think just by wiggling like that, wiggle. Select two images, visualize them, just on what they did. Highlight content, get smart AI actions. Okay, so the magic pointer. Create your widget, your own widget, AI desktop personalization. So with a simple prompt, Gemini can actually develop like custom dashboard, pull data from your Gmail, calendar, and web, organize travel plans, schedules, and reminders. So planning a holiday, create a widget for flights, holiday bookings, the hotel bookings, reservations, restaurant, countdown timer, all in one place like this. Create my widget. When is my flight? Things like that. Where to? And dinner at where? Live tracker, Iceland tour, holiday. Then there's this deep Android ecosystem integration. You're able to integrate across devices. So running Android apps, with your phone and laptop, you can cast. Now, this is a feature I always wanted, casting my apps. Okay, now it should be seamless. Casting your apps, open your phone apps on your laptop, no install needed. Okay, no install needed. So I'm looking forward to this. No interruption, workflow switching, instant access to mobile apps on desktop. And then quick access file system. Users can directly access phone files from your laptop. Another good feature which I like. You are able to search mobile phones instantly, insert files without transferring. No manual syncing required. This creates a truly unified ecosystem between phone and laptop. Okay, This is your files. And then the design. Google is partnering with major manufacturers, Acer, ASUS, Dell, HP, Lenovo. So the hardware will have a premium design materials, build quality, multiple form factor, ultrabook hybrids, etc. And then there's a Glowbar design element. The Glowbar should be at the side, I think at the front there. The Glowbar. So all this heavyweight power. Okay, all these brands. But one thing is the OS is still a secret. They haven't named the OS. No one knows what exactly the name of the OS will be, the operating system. And whether is it fully Android based or is it a hybrid OS, they never tell exactly the technical architecture. So, but I guess it should be a combination Android tech stack. I think we'll still combine the ChromeOS foundation, and basically it's definitely AI powered by Gemini. So yeah, basically this. So what's the difference from Googlebook versus Chromebook? This is the table comparison. ChromeOS, Googlebook is AI Intelligence system. I don't know what's the name. And then AI integration is limited for Chromebook. Google is deep Gemini AI support. It's only for web plus Android apps. Chromebook. Googlebook is a lot more AI workflows as Android. User experience in Chromebook is a bit manual. Googlebook is proactive AI assistant. Desktop is a bit static. Chromebook has AI generated widgets, dynamic UI. So this is the design. Final thoughts. Googlebook represents a major shift in computing, moving from traditional operating system into AI-driven intelligent environments instead of using just opening or apps, right? Users will interact with a system that understands intent, automates workflow, connects device seamlessly, and as a real-time assistant. While the full OS details remain uncertain, one thing is clear: Google is no longer building laptops just for computing, they are building laptops for intelligence. Okay, this is the write-up. Okay, I'll put the link of this write-up in my description. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more latest Google news. Well, the way this website is Techy. Okay, yeah, and do tell Google you like this news website. Okay, add it as a preferred source on Google. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.